Hey friends, if you wish to insert superscripts and subscripts in Microsoft Word, then please watch this video. First of all, it's not very difficult. You need to select the word which you wish to make the subscript or superscript. Now in the home tab itself, we have options for subscript and superscript. It's like X and then a symbol. But I have a better method for you. For example, if I wish to make this a subscript or a superscript, just press Ctrl plus Shift plus the minus symbol on the keyboard itself, but not in the numpad. I mean on the rest on the top. And to make it a superscript, just press the plus button with Ctrl plus Shift, Ctrl plus Shift plus plus for superscript, and Ctrl plus Shift plus minus for subscript. And this plus and minus should not be the numpad one, but the one on the left side of the keyboard. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.